In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your webpage for mobile viewing, ensuring that everything looks just right on smaller screens. Whether you're crafting a personal blog or managing a business site, responsiveness is key to making sure your content is enjoyable and accessible for everyone. First up, let's learn about the editing process. You'll begin by selecting the page you'd like to personalize. Just navigate to that page and hit the Edit option. This simple action will open up a world of possibilities, setting the stage for all your forthcoming changes. Be sure you're on the right page, as this is where you'll be doing all your customizations for mobile. Once you've accessed the editor, the next thing you want to do is transition into the mobile view. In the top right corner of the editor, there's a little mobile icon. Click it, and you'll instantly switch to the mobile editor. This is an important step, as it will allow you to visualize exactly how your page will look on a mobile device. Seeing the mobile format will guide your adjustments, helping ensure your site looks seamless and user-friendly. Now that you're in the mobile view, it's time to get hands-on with rearranging blocks. Blocks are essentially the building pieces of your web page, containing various elements like text, images, or videos. You have the ability to click and drag these blocks to different positions on the page. Alternatively, you'll notice up and down arrows on the side of each block. These arrows make it easy to reorder blocks quickly, moving them vertically with just a click. By rearranging blocks, you can prioritize the most important information, ensuring it's front and center when viewers are on your site. Next, let's adjust the spacing of these blocks to ensure each section has the right presence on the grid. On each block, you'll see a blue arrow icon. This handy tool allows you to modify the height of the block, letting you increase or decrease as needed. Adjusting the spacing isn't just about aesthetics, it's about crafting a layout that's both pleasing to the eye and practical, ensuring that your content isn't cramped or excessively spaced out. Finally, with all your changes in place, it's crucial to save your work. Simply click the Save button and all your adjustments will be applied. This ensures everything you've done is locked in and live for visitors to see when they browse your site on their mobile devices. Remember, taking these steps not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves the navigation and overall user experience on your site. By tailoring your content for mobile views, you're making a significant step forward in accessibility and professionalism. So go ahead, make these changes, and watch your web page transform into a mobile-friendly masterpiece.